DJI, a well-known name in the world of drones and stabilization, has once again pushed the boundaries with its latest smartphone stabilizer, the DJI Osmo Mobile 6. This model, designed to provide exceptional smoothness and advanced features, is aimed at both content creators and users looking to enhance the quality of their videos. Compact, lightweight, and packed with innovations, it promises to turn any smartphone into a professional creation tool. Whether it's to capture family memories or to create dynamic clips for social media, the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 seems to check all the boxes. To learn more or to get one, the link is in the description. The DJI Osmo Mobile 6 features a design that's both sleek and functional. Its slate gray finish gives it a professional look that catches the eye while still being discreet. It's designed to be easily portable with a foldable mechanism that lets you slide it into a bag without any hassle. Despite its lightweight design, the stabilizer inspires confidence with its sturdiness and the quality of the materials used. The handle, which has a slightly textured surface, provides a comfortable and non-slip grip, which is especially handy during long shooting sessions. Every detail seems to have been carefully designed to provide an optimal ergonomic experience. Among the new features, there's a built-in extension bar that easily unfolds to allow for unique angles or successful group selfies. The removable tripod, included in the box, can be screwed onto the base to stabilize the device on a flat surface, whether you're filming a time-lapse or recording a vlog hands-free. The magnetic smartphone mount, a true signature of DJI, has been improved to ensure a quick and secure setup. This clever system also allows you to easily remove the phone without interrupting the shooting process, which is a real plus in terms of convenience. The DJI Osmo Mobile 6 shines with its advanced stabilization technology. Its 3-axis gimbal effectively compensates for unintentional movements to ensure smooth and professional videos, even during fast movements. The stabilizer adapts to various scenarios thanks to its versatile modes, each designed to meet specific needs. For example, it allows you to maintain a stable orientation while reducing the subject's movements, or even add dynamic effects for more creative sequences. One of the key features of this model is its side wheel that offers a dual function. It allows you to manually adjust the focus or zoom in with great precision. This opens up new possibilities for videographers who want to play with depth of field and add a cinematic dimension to their content. Managing settings through the GMIMO app further enhances the user experience. This app offers unique shooting modes like time-lapses, panoramas, and dynamic zoom, which replicates the vertigo effect made famous by Alfred Hitchcock. With a claimed battery life of 6 hours and 30 minutes, the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 definitely has enough juice to cover a typical day of shooting. It charges via USB-C, which ensures universal compatibility with most modern chargers. However, the actual battery life can vary depending on the weight of the smartphone used and the modes activated. Right from the start, the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 stands out for its ease of use. Turning it on is almost automatic. Just unfold the arm and the stabilizer activates and is ready to go. For iPhone users with MagSafe, the quick launch feature provides an even smoother experience by automatically launching the GMIMO app as soon as the smartphone is attached. The controls, laid out intuitively on the handle, allow you to quickly switch between modes or adjust settings without taking your eyes off the screen. This ease of use doesn't stop the stabilizer from being extremely powerful, especially thanks to the integration of Active Track 5.0. This smart tracking system keeps the subject in the frame even when they're moving quickly or turning their back to the camera. Whether it's for filming dynamic scenes, capturing a family moment, or recording a vlog, the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 shows impressive versatility. The DJI MIMO app also plays a crucial role in simplifying the creation process. It offers step-by-step guides to create professional-looking videos, even for beginners. The built-in editing options let you add effects, transitions, and music in a snap, making the tool accessible to everyone. When comparing the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 to other stabilizers on the market, like the Insta360 Flow Pro, some differences stand out. Even though the battery life of the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 is slightly lower than that of its competitor, it makes up for it with its ergonomic design and intuitive handling. The Insta360 offers extra features, like a battery that doubles as a power bank or infinite subject tracking. But the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 shines with its ease of use and the quality of its stabilization. For Android users, some features of the DJI Mo app may be limited, which might put some people off. However, for iPhone users, the experience is perfectly optimized, especially thanks to specific integrations like MagSafe compatibility. The DJI Osmo Mobile 6 stands out as a must-have choice for anyone looking to enhance their smartphone video without compromising on quality or ease of use. With its sleek design, advanced features, and intuitive use, it meets the expectations of even the most demanding content creators while still being accessible to hobbyists. If you're looking to turn your videos into a real cinematic masterpiece, the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 is the tool you need. Check out the link in the description to learn more or to buy it. Every click and purchase supports the channel, and I really appreciate that. Don't forget to leave a comment to share your thoughts, like the video if it was helpful, and as always, subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.